How to make money through TopCashback. Now, TopCashback is an app that I've been using myself for the last couple of years. And first of all, I started off by using TopCashback just through my regular online purchases. So if we open it up here, what you'll notice on the homepage here is we've got some of the biggest high street retailers and online retailers as well. We've also got travel and we've also got many big clothing brands on here. So basically what I do with Top Cashback, first of all, to make money back is I do my regular shopping. So let's just say that I'm going to buy a new television. What I will do is I will go onto Argos. I will see the Top Cashback offers here. So tech purchase is a 3% cashback. So whenever I do my regular purchases on Argos, I will then get a 3% cashback. So if I do a £500 television, for example, I will get 3% back on that £500. Now, what else you can do is if we come down to the money icon here, you will be able to refer your friends to this. When you refer your friends, you will be able to get a sign up bonus and your friend will also receive the same bonus as well. So if you're interested in getting started on Top Cashback and earning your first bonus and just getting started on it right away, I will leave a link in the description down below, and if you have any questions you can feel free to comment down below, and if I know the answer I will get back to you and I will answer any questions that you might have.